Hello everyone, the goal of this video is to teach you how to set up a profile for yourself or for one of your clients or friends in the HEALY Resonance application. It will always be the first step before using a scan of the chakras or a resonance scan. So first, you're gonna click on your HEALY and you're going to open the Heal Advisor app. HEAL Advisor Analysis, which is the name for the Resonance app. And then you're going to go on the little house on the bottom left, go into Clients, and then you're going to have the option to create a profile. So for now, we're going to do two cases. First, creating a profile for someone who is in front of you, for example, yourself or a friend. And the second will be to create a profile for someone who is on the other side of the planet or cannot hold a HEALY right now. All right, so if I want to create for myself, I click on Add a new client. I choose a person. And then here I'm going to have to put a few information. Because the person is here physically next to you, they will be able to hold the HEALY in their hands, which will record their vibration. So what we want to do first is to record the vibration. So you're going to ask the person, or it's yourself, to hold the HEALY in your hand. They say right hand, but it doesn't matter. You hold the HEALY in your hand and you press on record vibration at the bottom. Here it's taking the imprint of my morphogenetic field, of my identity in the quantum field. And when it's finished, you will see this symbol appear and it comes back to the profile. Then you're gonna want to put a name just so that you can remember who is this person in the list. So for example, here we're gonna put Thomas. That will be enough. No need to put the date of birth and the place of birth. I will put my sex. That's it. If you have the vibration, the name, the sex, and a photo will be enough. Then you will add a photo. So let's say you found the photo and then you come back and then you will validate with the tick on the top right. I will show you my real profile, what it looks like. It's like this: my photo, my vibration, my name, and my sex. That's it. It's set up now. You can start a new analysis. Now, what to do if the person is not in front of you and you want to give a remote session? We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna add a new client, click on person, and here we're going to have to put their real first name, so John, Doe, their birth names. The date of birth and the place of birth will be important. So let's say this person was born in 95, the 9th of April. They are born in Liège, France. I recommend to put the city and then comma the country. And then this person is a male. And then you don't record the vibration because the person cannot hold the HEALY. You will simply put a picture and then you will click OK. It will identify this person in the quantum field with their name, where they are born, their date of birth, and their picture right now. And it will be enough. It will work. Great. So now you know how to set up a profile. You can do the same thing for an animal, for a plant, an organization, like your business, for example, for a building, for a vehicle, for a group of people, or others. For example, if you want to define a glass of water and you want to send the vibration into the glass of water, you create a profile for the glass of water. And anytime you want to record the vibration of an animal or an object, you will hold the HEALY on them and you will press record vibration with focusing your intention on recording the vibration of this person, animal, or plant. And then we'll see each other in another video on how to use the resonance and how to use the aura analysis. Thank you.